Welcome to the Technology Training Center's step-by-step Sitecore videos. In this video, we're going to look at inserting and uploading images. We navigate to the page where we're going to insert the image. And then I'm going to open the page editor. When the page editor opens, we're going to move to the content module that we want to insert the image into. Just going to select the module and jump into the rich text editor. In the rich text editor, click where you want the image to be inserted. What we're doing is setting the insertion point. Once the cursor is flashing at the point where you want the image inserted, go ahead and click on this icon here, Insert Image. This opens up this interface to our media library. Now we have two options here. We can either scroll down and insert an image that already exists within the media library, or we can go ahead and upload one of our own. And that's what we're going to do, is we're going to upload one into the media library. And since I'm working on a custom training page, I'm going to stick it in the custom training folder in my media library. Inside the images folder. And we've already got some images in here, but I've got a new image of Dr. Bob Sirius here I'm going to upload. So we go down to the upload button in the lower left, click on that. The interface opens up, which is asking us, where does it live on your desktop? This is the new one I'm going to upload. It's staged and ready for uploading. We press the upload button. The image is uploaded into our media library, but we're not quite done yet. We've got a little bit of alternate text to enter in here. And once we've got the alt text entered, we can go ahead and hit the insert button, and then the image is inserted into our content. Now it inserts it inline, so what we might want to do is either put a carriage return or enter right there so the image sits above it. Or what we can do is single click on the image, right click again, go to Properties, and inside of Properties we can use our image alignment to position the image either left or right of our text. Then when your image is set up the way you'd like it, scroll down, hit the Accept button. Your image is inserted into your content area. Then go ahead, hit the Save button in the upper left, and then preview your work. And here's how that image looks sitting above our text. That's one way to get an image in when you're working on a story or within a content area. But if you wanted to, you could upload an image directly to your media library. And to do that, we'll just switch back to our desktop view. Down here, we'll select Media Library. This jumps us into our media library view. Navigate to the location where you want to upload the image. Again, I'm going to use Custom Training. Images. Then we have this interface of three buttons right here. The new folder one will let us keep our content organized a bit better, let's say keeping our headshots grouped together versus our scenery shots. Upload Files Advanced, this allows you to upload multiple files at the same time, and Upload Files just does one file at a time. Let's take a look at Upload Files Advanced, because this will let us do multiple files. So this opens up our batch upload interface. What we would do is go ahead and select a file one at a time. As this interface opens up, you can see we manually add additional files. Another option to us is we could save all of the files as a zip file on our computer system and then upload the one zip, which would then be unpacked automatically on our destination. In this case, we've got two files selected. We hit upload. So now the items are staged, but it is giving us these warnings, and this is just simply asking for alternate text. You can just click on the item, lock and edit the item, scroll down to your alt text location, and you would enter your alt text for your item here. Then save and close, and then this item is taken care of. We'll quickly fix this one up. Then hit close, Once you hit close, your items are then ready to be used within your content. Switch back to your page editor, scroll down to the area where you want to insert your content, set the insertion point, insert your image, select it from your media library, insert, then select your alignment properties or any other properties you want to modify. Accept and save your work. And then your content looks like this. If you have any questions or comments about inserting images or anything else we've covered in our step-by-step Sitecore session, just send us an email at training@ualberta.ca.